Hey y'all, it's Mr. Bohon. I just wanted to point out a few things on our school website for the month of November. There's a bunch of dates on here, and you should be aware of them. This came home today about Anchor Bay Reading Night that's coming up next week. So take a minute to look at that. They're going to give you lots of resources about helping your kids to read and to figure out the best way to do that. It seems like it's going to be an incredible thing. Next week on Tuesday is election day, so we'll be off. No students will be in attendance. Teachers will be in meetings and professional development. There's a PTO meeting next week on Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. Mrs. Quigley's class has a field trip next week. And then on Friday, we have a half day so teachers can get all their report cards done, which are coming home on Tuesday when we start conferences. Not next week, but the week after on the 13th. And look for the stuff about the book fair and a Texas Roadhouse Rules fundraiser that 5th grade's doing. Lots of great stuff coming up in November, my favorite month of the year. Hope to see you guys at conferences, and check that sign up link down below so that you can make sure that you have the time you need, and let me know if that needs to change. Have a great month, and see you guys Monday. Bye.